Now in our last video we talked about how to get the noise or the hiss and other audio problems out of the recordings going into your T2i. One of the problems with the T2i is that there's no control over the automatic gain control or AGC. As a result, the camera is constantly trying to bring up a level to keep everything the same throughout the recording. Now unfortunately, that leads to hiss and noise, which is what we're going to try to correct right here. Now, I have to give credit to a friend of mine by the name of Eric Kirk. You can find him here on YouTube under the name Kirk Eric. He pointed out a long time ago how to use just about any audio editing program to get noise out of your videos. And I've talked about this before, but I figured what the heck, we might as well go ahead and rehash it for the T2i. So it all kind of hinges on downloading a free program called Audacity, and I'll put the link down there in the information. Check it out, go ahead and get it, and attach it to your linear editor as the default audio editing program. Now, as soon as we open up Sony Vegas, we're going to drag our little video up there, and there's the audio that was recorded on the camera. Now that audio is the kind that's got the noise and the hiss in it. So that's what we want to get rid of. Now we highlight it, and then we're going to do something. Since we've set Audacity as our default editor for audio, we can right click, and as you can see right there, the third thing down is Open in Audio Editor, or Open Copy in Audio Editor. Now this is Audacity. Now you can see right in there is a little place we're going to highlight and select as our audio sample or our noise level sample. Now we're going to go down here to noise reduction and click on that. Now we're going to get our profile here, and we click on that. The profile selected. The next thing we're going to do is double click on our entire sound wave. Let's get the menu, go back down here to noise removal, and this time we're going to hit OK to apply that audio profile, which will eliminate all of that hiss. Now watch as it processes. This will just take a minute. There, see? Now all of the hiss and noise is gone. We've got a nice clean piece of audio. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is take this bit of audio and export it. We'll click on Export. It's going to select the same name as the original video file that we had. We'll hit Save and hit OK, and now it's going to save it in that folder. Now we go back to Vegas and we hit Refresh, and that way we get our file in the menu to show up. Now the next thing we're going to do is import that file onto the timeline. You notice there it is. We're also going to highlight and then delete. We'll ungroup and delete the old audio. Now it looks really easy, and it is, but it may take you a little while to get used to the interface of the Audacity program, particularly if you're used to using something else. But in the long run, getting that noise out of your videos is going to be well worth it. So highly recommend getting that Audacity program. It's a free download, and giving it a try, and your videos should start sounding better almost immediately.